To install WordPress locally on your computer, there are 5 steps. First, we need to install XAMPP, then download WordPress, create a database for WordPress, install WordPress, and log in. Let's get started. First, we need to download XAMPP. Go to your Chrome, type XAMPP download, choose the first result, click download. Click here. Click download latest version. Now we need to wait until the download process finished. After finishing download, click on it. The installation process is very simple, just next. Double click on the XAMPP icon. Click next. Now they will create a XAMPP folder inside the C disk. Click next. Now finish. Click finish. WordPress download. Now the next step. Go to your Chrome. Type WordPress download. Choose the first result. I'm an Arabic user, so my first result is in Arabic. You will get one in English. Click on it. Now we will have two choices. We have a choice with choosing a hosting provider. We will not use it because we don't want to buy a domain. We'll choose download and install it yourself. Let's install WordPress. After we choose our choice, which is download it yourself, we get the WordPress as a zip file. We must cut it and go and paste it inside the htdocs folder, which is inside the XAMPP folder, which is where exactly it is in the C disk. Look, C disk, XAMPP folder, htdocs folder. So we could access the WordPress files after which we transfer our laptop to a local server using XAMPP app. Now extract files from WordPress, extract exactly in htdocs folder. Let's start creating the WordPress database. Run XAMPP as an administrator, start for Apache and start for MySQL. As you could see, the VMware is controlling the 443 port, which we needed for the Apache to work. So we need to change the port that Apache could use. Go to config, search for 443, change it to 4433. We can change it to another number, not exactly 4433, but for now, let's change it to 4433. Now let's create the database. Go to 172.27.0.1:81, which is the port /WordPress. If the port is not you cannot use it, you can change it to another port after you change it in the XAMPP using config. Click on start now. The name of the database, we don't create the database yet, so the user should be root and the password leave it empty. We will have a problem because we don't create the database yet. Click send or in Arabic irsal. We don't have the database yet, so we need to create the database. Go to 127.27.0.1:81/phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is a UI where you can create and manage our database. Create a new database. You could name it whatever you want. I will name it MyWordPress. The table, I will name it example, and I will make it from 4 columns. Then create. Now after I create that database, which is After I created the database, which I named it MySQL, my WordPress, I could now come back to my WordPress to finish the installation process. Let's try again. The name of the database must be the same name as I named it on my phpMyAdmin. So my WordPress, the username root, the password empty. Click send. Now the login process is very simple. Just the username and the password. Click login. And voila, we log into WordPress and we run it locally using XAMPP. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching.